The QuadLink construct includes a TightRope II implant to treat ACL injuries and is available in a version optimized to support all graft types, with or without a preloaded fiber tape suture for the internal brace technique, allowing surgeons the flexibility to leverage cutting-edge tightrope technology with the graft and technique best suited to the unique needs of every patient they treat. Minimally invasive graft harvest is easier and more reproducible using the QuadPro tendon harvester for quadriceps grafts. The FlipCutter III drill provides flexibility to drill sockets 6 mm and 7 mm to 12 mm in half-size increments, all through a 3.5 mm hole with a single device. A comprehensive portfolio of ACL and PCL marking hook guides, as well as additional instrumentation for the surgeon to perform the procedure, are available. For this particular procedure, we'll be using the tibial ACL reconstruction drill guide and the footprint femoral ACL guide. Place the ACL femoral guide over the ACL femoral footprint arthroscopically. Adjust the angle of the guide to the desired position and tunnel trajectory, and then lock into place. Push the ratcheting drill sleeve down to bone. Advance a FlipCutter III drill pin through the ACL femoral footprint. Tap the tapered portion of the stepped drill sleeve into the femur 7 mm, or until resistance is felt when reaching the femoral cortex. Using the wheel, deploy the FlipCutter III drill to the appropriate size and retrograde drill back to the sleeve to create a socket. Remove the FlipCutter III drill and pass a blue and white fiber snare suture through the drill sleeve. Retrieve it from the lateral portal and dock it for later graft passage. Remove the stepped drill sleeve. Place the ACL tibial guide over the ACL tibial footprint arthroscopically. Adjust the angle of the guide to the desired tunnel position and tunnel trajectory, and then lock into place. Push the ratcheting drill sleeve down to bone. Advance the FlipCutter III drill through the ACL tibial footprint. Tap the tapered portion of the stepped drill sleeve into the tibia 7 mm or until resistance is felt when reaching the tibial cortex. Using the wheel, deploy the FlipCutter III drill to the appropriate size and retrograde drill back to the sleeve to create a socket. Remove the FlipCutter III drill and pass a black and white fiber snare suture through the sleeve. Retrieve both the fiber snare sutures from the medial portal and remove the stepped drill sleeve. With the blue and white fiber snare suture, pass the femoral side of the QuadLink construct into the femoral socket until the button flips on the femoral cortex. Use the tensioning sutures of the TightRope II implant to advance the QuadLink construct into the femoral socket. With the black and white fiber snare suture, pass the fiber tape suture for the InternalBrace technique and the ABS TightRope II implant into the tibia. With the knee in extension, use an 11 mm 3-hole concave button for tibial fixation of the QuadLink construct. With the fiber tape sutures for the InternalBrace technique loaded through the larger oblong hole. Before tensioning the QuadLink construct, anchor the fiber tape sutures for the InternalBrace technique using the ACL backup fixation kit. Using the spade tip drill followed by the 5.2 mm tap, place the fiber tape suture for the InternalBrace technique into the eyelet and screw the 4.75 mm swivel lock anchor into the drilled hole. Take the knee through range of motion and then perform final tensioning on the QuadLink construct.